Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30342. And you're about to hear me mispronounce a bunch of things, probably pretty wrong. The Lamborghini Huracan Super something EVO. It's basically a car. Now, looking at this particular thing, I'm thinking I'm going to run afoul of my dislike of stickers, but we'll see. And anyway, if you enjoy this kind of LEGO Polybag build-along thing, think about subscribing, because I plan on doing one of these a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And it looks like we got some stickers. Alright. If you've seen any of these before with me, any sets that have stickers, you probably are aware that I do not do stickers. But these are the stickers such as they are. And, I mean, you know, it's a thing. But anyway, these are the stickers. And I don't know why I don't like stickers, but I have never liked putting stickers on Legos. I kind of think the reason I don't like it is you sort of, at the point where you put stickers on your Legos, you've like constrained that Lego. And I know it sounds, it makes it even make less sense, because like I like printed Legos. I think those are interesting, and I don't have any objection to like Legos with things printed on them, but I don't like the stickers. And I never have. I mean, I don't think I ever, even as a kid, I don't think I ever put stickers on any of my Legos. I just never liked them. Anyway, I don't know. I don't know what y'all think about stickers and Legos or not, but I'm not a fan. Also, while I'm thinking about it, if you are interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find this set on Amazon and on Bricklink. And also, there is a link to the brick set page for this particular set. You know what this reminds me of? Whoops. It kind of looks like there was like a Ninjago combo charger that I put together recently, and this car kind of looks like it. It has the same sort of overall, I don't know what you call it, footprint, feel, look, that kind of thing. Alright, so let's put this thing together. Hopefully it's still going to be a cool looking car, even though we are forsaking all the stickers. And, you know, such things happen. So, that's kind of weird. I wonder why they do it that way. So, alright. So, we're putting on 4 of these things. That's an interesting choice. Across the bottom. I mean, these are kind of cool pieces. I mean, I like the half tile part. I mean, they're neat. I think they definitely give you some building options. So there's a lot of like black pieces in this particular set. I kind of wonder. I looked at the supersized like Star Destroyer set, the one that's like, I don't remember how many thousand pieces it was. A lot. The really big Star Wars Star Destroyer set. And I remember thinking that must be very reminiscent of like putting together a jigsaw puzzle with all gray pieces. Because there's like a lot of gray in that particular set. I mean, just a ton of it. I mean, like a lot of gray pieces. Alright, so that gets us to here. And then we need a 2x6. Right here. That takes care of that. And one thing that's kind of neat about this set is you get some gold tiles. Because I guess, you know, Lamborghini's got to have the bling. Alright, so we got a couple of gold tiles. Actually, we have a decent... Wow, I didn't realize it. But this set has a surprising number of gold tiles in it. Because there's a bunch of... you can see over here. Like, there's a bunch of... like, 1x2s over here, too. So, it's kind of interesting. Alright, so we got our gold bling there. Like that. And then we need 2 more of the little teeny tiny wings. 1 teeny tiny wing and 2 teeny tiny wings. So got another wing here. Another wing like here. So that's the front. It's kind of cool. And then this goes directly behind the wings. Oh, I have it facing the wrong direction though. It goes this way. And then we have just a plain old 1x2 right behind it. Like so. And so that gets us to there. Alright. So that gets us to there. And then we pop on another 1x2 on top of that last one. So I guess that's what we're looking at, because we're looking at that, like that. I gotta tell you, if I were to do it, I would have moved the 6 up one and the 2 back, the 1x2 back. And that way you would have kind of overlapped this part right here. Anyway. Neither here nor there. Alright, so next we're building the back portion. So we got that. This I guess is going to be the back airfoil part maybe? Or the thing to hold the airfoil. We got that. And then 2 of these. I don't know. That's sort of weird. Like so. Like that. So we got that. And I put on a couple of 1x1s on either side of that. 1x1 there. And a 1x1 that apparently decided to attach itself prematurely to that thing over there. So we got that. And then we apply a 1x4 across the front, which adds much needed stability to this whole thing. And then we make a little airfoil type thing. And I gotta tell you, this particular piece right here, it's kind of a cool little piece. Because it's got the section that you can clip on, and then it's got a stud. So what it's going to let us do is it's going to let us do this, but I think you can also make a lot of other really cool things with these. It's got to line them up so they're straight. This is one of those pieces that I hadn't known about when I came back, and I bought a couple of these on Bricklink just because I thought they were really cool. Now we would apply a sticker here, but that's not how we roll. So this clips on like that, and let me slide it a little teeny bit. Actually, that's pretty solidly stuck on. Huh. Alright, let's slide these over a teeny tiny bit. If that's too much. There you go. That is not at all accurate. Yeah, that looks about right. It's still off. A teeny bit more. Yeah, that's right. Alright. So that gets us this. And then this attaches to the back. Like so. Doesn't really, actually it does, it moves a little bit. It has a teeny tiny bit of mobility there. That's not so bad. Alright. Now next, we do the sides, it looks like. Alright. So, as with most things like this, we'll do both sides at once. So, 1x4 and a 1x4. And then 1x4, 1x4. So this goes here, I guess. That's kind of interesting. Alright, that goes there. And this one also goes here. And then we need a couple of the 1x1 tiles. So 1 and 2. We got that. And 3. And 4. Alright. And then after we get these stuck on, we add the gold 1x2s to the bottom. So we're adding gold 1x2s. So basically that bling. Alright. So fairly fabulous looking car so far. And same with this one. And like so. Yeah, that's kind of nice to have the gold pieces. Alright, so those now attach here. Okay. So, they definitely, it gives you some gold highlights on your car. And it fits together pretty nicely. I mean, I like the look of that. Alright, so we got that. And then we attach that. And then pop that one on. And we need the jumper. And then 1x4 here. Oh, that needs to be stuck on better. There we go. That goes there. And this one goes here. So that gets us to this, which is where we're at right there. Except we also need, so this goes here, and we'll have to hold that on better. We got this right here, and then this facing backwards. Okay, that's looking pretty cool. Alright, so we got that taken care of, and now we add another jumper, and we add a gold lightsaber, like so, and this goes on top, and then that, and then a couple of these, and this is on top right here. So we get that. And now we got to just deal with the front part. So for the front part here, we're going to have this, and then 2 of these. 1, and the second one, number 2. Alright. So we got those. And extra piece-wise, we have these. And then we just pop on some wheels. Oops. Alright. It's kind of a cool looking car. Let's check it out. Seems to roll pretty good. So not bad. I feel like it suffers a little bit from my dislike of stickers. Because like I think the Lamborghini logo and the 2 stickers here definitely have helped a little bit. But, I don't know. So, let's see. It's kind of a cool car, though. Right? Anyway, let me know what you think. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.